Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Look what just arrived, yay! So thankful because if you watched my last video, which I can link for you here, you will notice that I was waiting for a gift that is coming in my FabFitFun Box, and the birthday is tomorrow, so yay, the gift is here, and look at how teeny tiny this little box is. So this is an add-on box, and I added it on specifically for two things that are in here that I wanted to add to a birthday gift. And at the end of the video, I'll actually show you the gift in its entirety because it's all stuff from FabFitFun. Just while I'm here with you, opening this up, I will let you know that I am enjoying some of the things from my box already. This is from a previous FabFitFun box, and I've got my earrings on, my AJ Love silver hooped earrings, and I had to like tie in some gold and silver, and I thought this was the perfect way. If you notice, my wedding rings are silver, and so I've got the combination of gold and silver happening. There's a little gold on my shirt. So anyways, I really am loving the quality of those earrings. I think I'm going to try leaving them in and seeing how that goes. Okay, so let's get into here and I'll show you what I've got. And I can also give you a review. This is the scratch card. This will be my third one. I haven't scratched any of them yet. Have any of you scratched yours? And has anybody ever won? I've even been watching the community. I participate there quite a bit, and I haven't noticed anybody win anything there either. Okay, so here are the gifts. Oh, my daughter is currently stealing away the scratch card. My mother-in-law just built herself a brand new shower. So I wanted to have kind of like a shower themed gift for her birthday, and these shower steamers seemed like the perfect choice to create a gift basket with. So there's this in combination with a whole bunch of hair care products that are going to be a clarifying shampoo, a hair mask, a scrub brush, and this living proof Boar bristle brush. So I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I might just leave it in this package to gift. So those were the two things that I was waiting for to complete my gift basket. In customization, so I'll tell you, this was customization number 2 and this was customization number 5. In customization number 1, Murad, I have already received this. If you watched my first video, this was sent to me for winning a contest to preview as an early FabFitFun item. And I apologize, the dishwasher is on, but I really need to get this video filmed up quickly. So you'll hear that in the background. But anyways, this moisturizer is amazing. I've really been loving it. I'm so glad to have a second one because I used it actually even today. I've been using this every morning as part of my skincare routine. Speaking of skincare routines, oh sorry, this is customization 2. I am going to be using this Glow Recipe Serum underneath this, I guess. I've heard great things. I'm going to give it a try. I'm excited to see the cute packaging. This is, yeah, something new, not a normal thing that I would ever purchase. So happy to give that a try. I have heard so many good reviews of this KVD tattoo eyeliner. It's a liquid liner. I don't use liquid liners, but again, something to try. And then last but not least, the Cover FX. So I currently am on the hunt for another good inner eye corner highlight, and I thought that this looked like it might be an interesting one to try. So that is what that palette looks like, and that was customization number 6. So this was one of the boxes, the beauty box in the add-ons. I added it on specifically so I could get those couple of extras, and then because it had this Murad that I knew I wanted another one of, I thought that was a good value overall. It'll make a great gift. And speaking of gifts, I will show you the gift basket now that I am going to create. So I decided instead of doing like a gift basket that I would actually just do a gift bag, because I had made this pretty card and I had this beautiful gift bag, and I would show you everything together. So the idea is it's shower theme, and so there's the Lujo bars. The main part of the gift is definitely this Way clarifying shampoo in combination with this scalp massager and this Way conditioner set. So I thought this was just the perfect like combination set to be able to treat her to a hair treatment that I've discovered and found so useful and beneficial. And then I'm a little jealous of this brush here because it looks beautiful. Like I said, I'll leave it in the package just to keep it sort of contained because it's a gift. But anyways, this looks like a really beautifully made brush. I love the wood in combination with the blue, and I think that that's just a really pretty gift. So that's what it'll look like all together. And then I'll put, of course, my stuffing and everything, like the tissue paper on top. And then I think I'll put her age on here, and that will be sort of a nice combination. So yay that everything all came in time, just in time delivery, like to the max, because it needs to be for our birthday tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed to FabFitFun and it's your first time, I'll leave a link down below. You can get $10 off your first box. I will also link a video for you here if you are interested in seeing all of the customization choices that came in the fall 2023 box. Thanks so much for watching, and see you again next time.